Hi everyone, my name is Priyanka, and if you are new to my channel, then I make motivational videos for the people who feel they are stuck in their life but they wanna do what their heart really desires. So if you are the one, then my channel is for you. So today I wanted to talk about safety and security in our own body and how we women are constantly in a wounded masculine state. बिकॉज वट इज़ हैपनिंग ना कि मैं अभी अपना जहाँ पे मैं रहती हूँ उसको मैं शिफ्ट करने वाली हूँ. आई एम शिफ्टिंग एंड वट आई रियलाइज दैट इट इज़ नॉट सेफ टू रिलाई ऑन अदर पीपल. इट इज़ नॉट सेफ कि मैं उन पर ट्रस्ट करूँ कि वो अपने प्रोमिस पूरे करेंगे. एंड वट आई रियलाइज कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिलैक्स इन माई बॉडी. आई एम ऑलवेज इन माई हेड. ये कैसे होगा, वो कैसे होगा, मैंने उसको बोला है, क्या वो ये कर देगा, क्या वो मुझे ला देगा, क्या ये चीज़ हो जाएगी, क्या वो चीज़ हो जाएगी, कहीं वो रूम किसी और ने ले लिया तो क्या होगा. एंड व्हाट इफ़ आई नॉट हैव दैट रूम, व्हाट इफ़ आई एम स्टक हियर एंड आई डू नॉट have any help. There is no one who can help me. I have to do it all on my own by myself, and there is no one who's there to help me out. So these constant thoughts in my head, I realized about myself that I have it when I just took this step ki okay, I want to shift from here. I want to live somewhere else where I feel more comfortable and good when I wake up in the morning, and I want to upgrade myself. I want more comfort for myself. I want more luxury for myself, because why not? So what I realized कि I'm not able to relax, and mainly I'm not able to trust people and their words in spite of their gender. मेल पे तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं हो रहा है. And what I realized about myself, that I'm not able to trust people with their words. I'm not able to trust people कि they will keep their promises and they will do as they said. I'm not able to trust and I'm not able to relax. And अगर मुझे किसी को कोई चीज़ बोलनी है कि ये चीज़ कर दो, तो कम से कम मैं उसे 3 से 4 बार बोल रही हूँ कि मेरे माइंड में क्या चल रहा है. अगर वो भूल गए तो क्या होगा, अगर वो नहीं लाए तो क्या होगा, अगर वो नहीं गए तो क्या होगा, अगर उसने नहीं किया तो क्या होगा. सो आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली प्रेशरिंग देम कि करो 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 करो. भूल गए तो क्या होगा, प्लीज़ ला देना, प्लीज़ कर देना यार, प्लीज़ कर देना. सो आई वॉज आस्किंग माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम वेयर ऑल दीज फियर्स आर कमिंग. आई वॉज आस्किंग माई सेल्फ कि why am I not able to trust? I was asking myself ki why am I so much in my wounded masculine state and wounded feminine state? Ki my feminine energy is not relaxed in my body. I'm always in my wounded masculine state where I'm overthinking, overly analyzing. I'm not providing any shield and protection to myself where I feel relaxed in my body, where I feel कि things will be done for me. चीज़ें मेरे पास आएंगी and लोग वो करेंगे जो उन्होंने बोला है, और अगर वो नहीं भी करेंगे, somebody else will do it for me. Why am I not able to relax in my body? Why am I always in my head? So I was asking myself all these questions. And what I realized कि when I was a child and I was promised कि ये चीज़ होगी, ये चीज़ करेंगे, वो वहाँ पे आएंगे, वो अपने promises को पूरा करेंगे, and they will do as they said, and they will come. So all these times they broke their promises. They never did it for me. They never even apologized. एंड उनके ऑल्टरनेट पे उन्होंने उन चीज़ों के लिए कुछ भरपाई भी नहीं की कि एंड दे नेवर एक्नॉलेज्ड कि येस उनसे गलती हुई है एंड वो इसको सही करना चाहते हैं, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम से वो ये चीज़ नहीं करेंगे. आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू रिलाई ऑन एनी वन. एवरी टाइम आई रिलाइड ऑन देम, माई फेथ वॉज ब्रोकन. They broke my trust, they broke my faith, So what I learned early in my childhood, that it is not safe to trust other people with their words, with their actions. It is not safe to rely on people. It is not safe to ask for help, because every time you are asking for help, either they are not helping you out, either they are shaming you, either they are making you feel that you are too needy and too greedy and too selfish to only think about yourself and to ask for help, and they made you feel ki you are too much and you always have something to ask for and you always need something from them. So early in your childhood, what you learned ki it is not safe to rely on them, it is not safe to rely on people. People are not gonna keep their words, keep their promises. So धीरे धीरे क्या होता है ना कि आप वो सारी चीज़ें खुद करने लगते हो, आप खुद के लिए खुद ही स्टैंड लेने लगते हो, आप अपनी सारे नीड्स एंड वांट्स ना कहीं दबा देते हो अंदर, एंड आपको फिर ऐसा लगने लगता है कि आपके नीड्स एंड वांट्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं या फिर गलत हैं, और अगर आप किसी से हेल्प भी मांगते हो ना तो आपको वो शेम और गिल्ट फील होता है जो आपको फील कराया गया, मे बी थ्रू योर पेरेंट्स और थ्रू whoever who was the who was around you, who was elder than you, and they always made you feel ki your needs and wants are too much, and because of your needs and wants they have all these problems in their life and they are struggling and they are having so much of trouble. So they made you feel ki you are too much, your needs and wants are too much, and when you felt sad कि उन्होंने अपने प्रोमिसेस को पूरा नहीं किया, वो वहाँ पे नहीं आए जहाँ पे आप चाहते थे, तो whenever you expressed your emotions, your sadness, your grief, तो what they did कि they shamed you for your negative emotions as well. They shamed you for your feelings and emotions. They shamed you for feeling sad and bad. They told you that see, I am going through so much and I forgot because of this thing, and you are the one who's not understanding me. You should be understanding me, and you should be understanding from next time you don't ask for all these things because I will not be able to come, and I was stuck in all these things. You should understand why you are behaving like this. They used to make you feel bad to even feel bad कि you are the one who's so selfish कि you are not understanding their problem and you are feeling bad because they broke their promise. So what you start to feel कि first, it is not safe to ask for help, it is not safe to rely on anyone, it is not safe and it is not good to feel your negative emotion when someone is doing wrong to you. And whenever you start to ask for help, you start to feel कि वो चीज़ पूरी नहीं होगी, वो अपने promises को पूरा नहीं करेंगे, वो ये चीज़ break करेंगे. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या होता है, क्योंकि हमारी प्रोग्रामिंग वैसी हो जाती है जहाँ पे पीपल, वी अट्रैक्ट such type of people in our life because we become so much self-dependent, we become so much hyper independent कि we stop trusting people, we stop trusting कि वो कुछ भी करेंगे. And as a women, this puts us in our wounded masculine state, because wounded masculine is where you are hyper independent, where you are not trusting anyone, where you are always in your head and you are trying to do everything for yourself. You are not allowing people to help you, you are not allowing people to you are not allowing you are not allowing anyone to come into your life and provide for you. You are not able to relax in your body. And then when there is not a good shield for you, so imagine करिए कि there is a egg. Imagine करिए कि egg है और उस egg में बहुत सारे, और वो जो egg है ना वो आपका masculine energy है, तो उसके अंदर जो भी egg yolk है, ठीक है, वो है आपका फेमिनिन एनर्जी. एग के अंदर जो भी होता है वो आपका फेमिनिन एनर्जी है, और एग के ऊपर जो होता है, जो कवर, उसका जो शील्ड होता है, वो है मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी. सो so early in your childhood, when there was not a good masculine figure in your family, जो जिसने आपको अच्छे से प्रोवाइड नहीं किया, प्रोटेक्ट नहीं किया, सेफ फील नहीं कराया, तो वट आप मानिए कि अब उस एग में बहुत सारे क्रैक्स आ गए हैं, विच इज़ योर मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी. ठीक है. नाउ योर मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी इज़ वुंडेड. तो जो आपकी अंदर की खुद की फेमिनिन एनर्जी है वो सेफ फील नहीं कर रही है टू रिलाई ऑन योर ओन मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी, बिकॉज आपकी खुद की मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी बहुत वुंडेड है. बहुत नहीं, सबकी अलग अलग रेशियो होता है. मैं बहुत नहीं बोलूँगी, किसी का कम होता है, किसी का ज़्यादा होता है. तो आपकी जो फेमिनिन एनर्जी है वो सेफ फील नहीं करती टू रिलैक्स, to be soft, to trust, to go with the flow, to ask, to have faith. ये सारी क्वालिटीज़ टू नर्चर योर ओन सेल्फ, ये सारी क्वालिटीज़ फेमिनिन की हैं. और आपकी खुद की जो मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी है वो इतनी ज़्यादा हाइपर इंडिपेंडेंट है कि योर ओन मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी इज़ सो मच कंट्रोलिंग. द वुंडेड मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी बिकम्स कंट्रोलिंग. You start to control everything. Okay, you are not able to let go of things. You are not able to be soft on yourself. You are always hard on yourself. You are overly critical on yourself. You are always criticizing yourself. Okay, and you are not keeping promises जो आपने खुद से किए हैं. या तो you are overly logical. आप बहुत ज़्यादा लॉजिकल हैं एंड यू डोंट ट्रस्ट द फ्लो. ऑल दीज ट्रेट्स आर वुंडेड मैस्कुलिन ट्रेट्स जो हम सब में होते हैं. दीज आर नॉट जेंडर स्पेसिफिक, हम सब में होते हैं. बट ये स्टार्ट होता है जब हम अपने घर में वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें देखते हैं ना, उससे ही ये उन्हीं से स्टार्ट होता है. सो अर्ली इन योर चाइल्डहुड, when the masculine figure, the male figure in your family made you feel unsafe, made you feel कि you are not, that it is not safe to rely on them, it is not safe to trust them, they're not gonna keep their promises, they're not gonna provide for you, they're not gonna protect you the way they should be. And they made you feel कि if they are providing you, protecting you, then you owe them something. Then they wanted to be worshipped for what they are doing. And even when they were doing any mistake, they were never acknowledging them. They were always behaving like a kid कि if they are doing some mistake, you should be understanding, and if you are showing your emotion, then you are a bad person, you are a selfish person, sorry. And it is not good to have a needs and want. And as a female, you felt कि you cannot relax, you cannot depend on them, you cannot ask for help, you cannot rely on them, because they are not gonna keep their promises. They are gonna break their promises and they will not even acknowledge it. So you start to suppress your needs and wants. You started to suppress your own emotions. जहाँ पे आपको बुरा फील होता था कि ये सारी चीज़ें मुझे खुद से क्यों करनी पड़ रही हैं. एंड यू स्टार्टेड टू रिलाई ओनली ऑन योर सेल्फ. यू स्टार्टेड टू स्टॉप आस्किंग फॉर हेल्प. आपने लोगों से हेल्प मांगना बंद कर दिया, आपने रिलाई होना बंद कर दिया. और और अगर आपको सारी चीज़ें खुद करनी पड़ रही हैं तो उसके लिए अगर आपको कुछ बुरा भी फील हो रहा है तो मे बी यू वर नॉट अलाउिंग योर सेल्फ टू फील योर इमोशंस, because you were shamed and guilted for that as well. Also, what happens ना कि when you are born and brought up in a very strict family, जहाँ पे बहुत ही strict rule रहे हों, और they made you feel कि you always have to keep on doing something to please them. You always have to keep on moving. You always have to keep working in order to please them. They were very controlling, and they made you feel that it is not safe for you to be you. It was not safe for you to relax and just enjoy the moment, to laugh, to dance, to do what you wanted to do. Or or if you were born and brought up in a narcissistic family जहाँ पे one person was narcissistic and they never made you feel safe. They made you feel कि you should be doing something if you are living there. They made you feel कि you have to keep on doing something if you want something from them. They made you feel you have to please them by doing anything, like कुछ भी, आप बस कुछ ना कुछ उनके सामने करते रहो. The moment you are sitting, the moment you are relaxing, the moment you want to watch something that you like, the moment you are having food, the moment you are just enjoying yourself or you want to enjoy yourself, the moment you are laughing, you are having fun, they get triggered. They don't like it. They feel ki, why you are so happy, what happened, what is making you so happy, because deep down they are a very sad person. Because deep down they are a very sad people. Deep down they are filled with grudges and rage, resentment, all the negativity. So they were not able to see a happy people around them. They were not able to see people laugh. They were not able to see you laugh, to relax, to have fun, to love yourself, to enjoy. They always wanted you to struggle. They always wanted you to feel stressed. They always wanted you to feel bad and sad. The moment आप खुश होते थे वो देख के ट्रिगर हो जाते थे. So if you are born and brought up in such family, first of all you need to recognize it, okay? And then you will have to acknowledge कि क्या क्या चीज़ें थी जिसने आपकी बॉडी को अनसेफ फील कराया. क्या क्या वो चीज़ें थी जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि इट इज़ नॉट सेफ फॉर यू टू रिलैक्स and rely on them and rely on masculine figure or your mother or your father. Okay, mainly if I am talking about women and the relationship with man, because my relationship with man was very bad. I'm still healing it. I was never able to trust man with their words, with their action, with their thoughts, with their intentions and with their promises. I was never able to trust man. And the moment I started to ask myself ki why all these things are happening, why am I attracting these type of men in my life जिन पे मैं rely, depend नहीं हो पा रही हूँ, and I feel so bad, I feel so ashamed of asking कि अगर मैं किसी man से help मांग रही हूँ, why am I feeling so shame and guilty and bad about it? The moment I started to ask myself all these questions, solutions started to come. So if you are not able to rely on men, पहले तो हमारी सोसाइटी में इसको बहुत ही बेकार देखा जाता है कि men पे rely होना is very bad. Just do it all by yourself. So जो भी women ये बोलती है ना कि do it all on your own, no need to rely on men, no need to trust men, no need to allow men to help you, no need to allow any men to give you something. They all are in a wounded state. They all are in a wounded feminine state where they feel they have to do it all by themselves. There are no one who is coming to help them. There is no one who can. They feel there is no one who can provide for them, protect them. They are not able to trust man. And trust me, if you are the one, you can heal from it. There is a way. You can come out of it, because I know we all want to be loved. We all want love. We all, because I know that, deep down you want to be loved. And I believe that we all deserve love. We all deserve to be loved. But for that, we need to release all the limiting beliefs that we are holding on to. That's what I am realizing these days, that I'm not able to rely on anyone. I'm not able to relax in my body. I'm not able to trust men's word कि अगर वो मुझे कुछ बोल रहे हैं तो वो करेंगे. Maybe I'm not even able to attract good quality man in my life जो अपने words को पूरा करते हैं, जो बोलते हैं वो करते हैं. Maybe I'm not able to attract them because of my own limiting beliefs. So if I will not acknowledge my limiting beliefs, what will happen? That I will end up attracting all those type of men जो बार बार मेरे उस बिलीफ को पक्का करेंगे. अब क्या होगा कि मेरे ब्रेन को तो एविडेंसेस मिल रहे हैं ना कि men are not good, men are not reliable, I cannot depend on them, I cannot ask for help, I cannot trust them, I cannot trust their intentions. So now I am attracting those type of men in my life जिन पे मैं रिलाई डिपेंड नहीं हो पा रही हूँ, जो मुझे हमेशा वुंडेड स्पेस में रखते हैं, जहाँ पे मुझे सारी चीज़ें खुद करनी पड़ रही हैं, जहाँ पे वो अपने प्रोमिसेस को पूरा नहीं कर रहे हैं. मे बी आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ, मे बी आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन माई वुंडेड फेमिनिन एनर्जी एंड वुंडेड मैस्कुलिन एनर्जी. मे बी आई नीड टू रिलीज द ब्लॉकेजेस कि कि वो जो पोलैरिटी है वो स्विच हो, एंड men and the kind of men I want to attract in my life, मैं उस टाइप के men को अट्रैक्ट करूँ अपनी लाइफ में. मगर उसके लिए मुझे एक्नॉलेज करना पड़ेगा कि शायद जिस तरीके से मैं चीज़ें कर रही हूँ और जो चीज़ें मैं बिलीव करती हूँ, इतने टाइम से बिलीव करती हुई आ रही हूँ कि these things are not working for me. I don't want this. I want to feel relaxed. I want to feel like a queen whenever I am with the men. But maybe there is something in me who is not allowing that, because I'm not able to relax, I'm not able to trust men, I'm not able to rely on them, I'm not able to trust कि जो उन्होंने बोला है वो पूरा करेंगे. Maybe I don't feel worthy to be treated like a queen by men. Maybe I don't treat myself like a queen, or even if I treat, maybe deep down I believe कि men are not good. मे बी पास्ट से जो भी मैंने गुस्सा, ग्रजेस, रिसेंटमेंट, लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स, जो पैटर्न्स मैंने मैन के देखे हैं, मे बी मैंने उसे बहुत ज़्यादा होल्ड ऑन करके रखा हुआ है. मैं उसे लेट गो नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं उसे जाने नहीं दे रही हूँ, मैं रीप्रोग्रामिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं ओल्ड पैटर्न्स को रिलीज़ नहीं कर रही हूँ. मे बी मैं अपने आप को अलाउ नहीं कर रही कि कि लेट्स जस्ट रिलीज द ओल्ड पैटर्न्स. And because I want to be treated like a queen, I do not want to be stuck in 9 to 5 job, doing everything, taking care of my house, going to the office, working, and doing so many things on my own, because maybe deep down I don't trust. Maybe because deep down I don't trust ki I can rely on people, I can depend on people, and there are people who can help. Maybe I'm the one who's blocking all the help. Maybe I'm the one who's blocking myself from receiving help. So maybe I need to work on my ego. Maybe I need to work on myself. So what I've realized these days ki I'm not able to relax in my body, and I'm just not able to be in the present moment. I'm always thinking about the next thing. I'm always thinking about how these things are gonna happen, how am I gonna shift, and what if somebody else take my room, even if मैंने उन्हें advance payment कर दिया है उसके बाद भी, because I'm not able to trust men with their words. I'm not able to ask for help from men. I feel that maybe I'm not open enough to receive from them. Maybe I feel insulted. Maybe I feel that I'm less than them. Maybe I feel I need to compete with them. Maybe I feel I need to prove myself to them. Maybe I feel, if I rely on men, they will look down on me. They will judge me for doing that. Maybe I feel I cannot trust them with their promises. They are gonna break them. तो जब तक मैं अपने, मेनली ये कहाँ से आता है, ये आपके फादर वूंड से आता है. मेनली ये आपके फादर वूंड से आता है, जहाँ पे आप मैन के ऊपर रिलाई नहीं कर पाते हो. ठीक है, आप रिलैक्स नहीं रह पाते हो. ठीक है, मे बी आई नीड टू वर्क ऑन माई फादर वूंड. मे बी आई नीड टू हील माई फादर वूंड. maybe I need to trust God little bit more. Because if I'm not able to relax in my body, I'm always in my head. I'm always thinking 24/7 and I'm exhausted. And I'm not able to relax and just rely on people कि they will do as they said. And if they have not done, maybe somebody else will come, they will do it for me. Maybe I don't feel worthy enough कि मेरे लिए चीज़ें हो जाए. Maybe I feel कि I have to do everything by myself. Yeah. So I was asking myself कि so much of anxiety and all these things, from where all these things are coming, because I don't want this to be my reality. I want to feel so worthy कि मेरे लिए चीज़ें ज़रूर हो जाएंगी, and I will find those people who will fulfill their promises, who will do things for me. Because as a woman, you don't have to do so much. Trust me, as a woman, only your existence is enough. Only your energy, your nurturing energy is enough. Only you, only you showing up and just laughing is enough. Why do I feel that I have to do it all? Why do I feel that men are bad? Why do I feel that it is so bad to rely on them and receive from them? Why do I feel so shame and guilty and judge myself if I ask for help from man? Why do I feel that I'm a bad person? Why do I feel that I need to, mother men? I don't need to do that. If you are the one who want to be treated like a queen कभी भी अपने पार्टनर को मदरिंग नहीं करेगी, वो कभी भी अपने पार्टनर के लिए मदर नहीं बनेगी. Queen wants to be treated like a queen because she feels, she believes that she is worthy to be treated like a queen. That's why she's a queen. Okay? So if you want to be treated like a queen from your men, then why you are not relying on them? You have to. If you are not, then you will attract a boy in your life whom you have to mother all the time, whom you have to teach all the time, who will not keep their promises, जिनके ऊपर आप डिपेंड नहीं हो पाओगे, जिनके साथ आपको 50-50 बिल को स्प्लिट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, जिनके साथ you will not feel safe enough to be in your body and just relax and enjoy. Okay? Sorry, मैं अपने टॉपिक से थोड़ा सा आगे पीछे हो गई. So let's come back to the topic. I was talking about not feeling safe enough to be in your body. So as a woman, if you do not feel safe enough to be in your body and just relax and just enjoy and be in the moment and feel the moment, feel everything around you, what will start to happen that you will start to become so stressed all the time that you will start to feel bad. You will start to feel there is nothing good in the world, there is nothing can be done, and no, you cannot be fixed. So what I experienced, what I learned, that if I'm a woman, okay, and if I am not able to be in the present moment, if I'm not just able to relax and feel the present moment, if I'm not able to enjoy this moment with this person, if I'm not able to enjoy this meal, if I'm not able to enjoy the process of preparing this meal, if I'm not able to feel things around me, and I'm always in my head, I'm always thinking कि ये चीज़ होगी नहीं होगी, वो ये चीज़ करेगा नहीं करेगा, वो ये करेंगे नहीं करेंगे, कैसे करेंगे, भूल गए तो क्या होगा, ये चीज़ नहीं हुई, फिर ये चीज़ डिले हो गई तो क्या होगा, और अगर डिले होने के बाद वो चीज़ कैंसिल हो गई तो क्या होगा, फिर वो चीज़ कैसे आएगा, मुझे कॉल कर लेना चाहिए, मुझे उन्हें बार बार याद दिलाना चाहिए. आई शुड रिमाइंड देम अगेन एंड अगेन एंड अगेन, एंड मुझे हमेशा उनके पीछे लग के वो चीज़ करवानी पड़ेगी. आई जस्ट कैन नॉट रिलैक्स. So, do you think you will be able to enjoy life to the fullest? You are always trying to control. You are not able to let go of the control. You are not able to relax in your body, and you are not able to not overthink. You are always overthinking. You are always thinking ki how this is gonna happen. You are always in your head. तो आपके पास जो चीज़ है आप उसको enjoy नहीं करोगे, and this will not stop here. This applies to each and everything. आप कुछ भी लाइफ में कर रहे हो करोगे, you are constantly stressed about everything. You are not able to let go of the control. You are not able to trust and believe. You are not able to trust people. You want to do it all, and you feel कि if you are not doing it, this cannot be done. If you are not doing that, वो चीज़ तो हो ही नहीं पाएगी. अगर कोई चीज़ हो सकती है तो वो सिर्फ आप कर सकते हो और कोई नहीं कर सकता. You feel people are not capable or good enough, trustworthy enough to do that thing for you. You just stop receiving. You block yourself from receiving. You block yourself from experiencing the life because you are constantly thinking. You are constantly in your head and you are overthinking all the time. You are overthinking about everything. You are not relaxed in your body. You are not able to let go of the control. कि अगर ये चीज़ ऐसे नहीं हुई, ठीक है, मे बी ये चीज़ ऐसे होनी ही नहीं थी, ये चीज़ किसी और तरीके से होनी थी. अगर वो चीज़ वैसे नहीं हुई तो ठीक है, मे बी वो वैसे होनी ही नहीं थी, वो ऐसे होनी थी. अगर इसने अपना प्रॉमिस को पूरा नहीं किया तो मे बी फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट टाइम आई नीड टू आस्क अदर पीपल, इफ़ वो चीज़ पूरी. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको वो सारी चीज़ें करने की ज़रूरत है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आपको वो सारा स्ट्रेस लेने की ज़रूरत है. ओके, आपको अकेले सब कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको अकेले सारा स्ट्रेस लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. देयर आर पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड who can help you and who want to help you. एंड अगर आप ऐसे मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने हेड में रहेंगे जहाँ पे you are constantly overthinking, you are not able to love yourself, not take out time for yourself, not enjoy yourself, not trust the process, so how you are gonna live life like that? You are constantly stressing about everything. You are constantly overthinking. वो क्या कर रहा होगा, ये क्या कर रहा होगा, वो कैसे होगा, ये कैसे होगा, नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, हो गया तो क्या होगा, उसने ऐसा क्यों बोला, उसने ऐसा क्यों नहीं बोला, अगर उसने कुछ और बोला होता तो क्या होता, उसने ऐसे बोला होता तो क्या होता, उसने वैसे बोला होता तो क्या होता, मे बी मैंने कुछ गलत कर दिया. सो इन दिस केस यू आर नॉट एबल टू रिलैक्स. You are not able to enjoy. You are not able to enjoy the present moment. You are not able to feel yourself. You are not able to be present with the other person. You are not able to be present with yourself, within yourself. You are always overthinking. You are always thinking about the next moment. You are always thinking about the next thing. You are in a scarcity mindset. जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ फियर को मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं, जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो सारी गलत चीज़ें मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में, जो आपके ब्रेन को ये प्रूव करता रहे कि लोगों के ऊपर रिलाई करना ठीक क्यों नहीं है, कि आपके फियर सच कैसे हैं, कि कैसे सिर्फ आपको सब कुछ खुद करना चाहिए, कि कैसे आपको लोगों पे रिलाई नहीं होना चाहिए, कि कैसे आपको हेल्प नहीं मांगना चाहिए. जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो चीज़ मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में बार 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 बार, अपने ब्रेन को वो चीज़ें, वो सिनारियोज दिखा दिखा के, जहाँ पे वो सारी गलत चीज़ें हो रही हैं जो आप जिस चीज़ से डर रहे हैं. You gotta stop this. If you really wanna enjoy your life, if you want to attract better people, better situations, circumstances, first, I know it is not easy at all, because I have been there and I'm still there. But now every time I find myself at that state, कि I tell myself कि okay, I am thinking all these thoughts are coming, okay, because all these thoughts are coming because I'm trying to change my programming from not relying on people, not trusting them, and pulling myself back, relaxing. I tell myself, Priyanka, all these thoughts, I acknowledge all these thoughts. I acknowledge that these thoughts are coming from my childhood, coming from my that self who never felt safe enough to rely on people, to depend on people, to relax, to trust their words. People always broke their promises and always made me feel unsafe to rely and relax and enjoy myself. But now I choose differently. I want to feel different. Now I want to be treated differently. I want to trust, and this is going to happen for me. I want to trust, and this is going to happen for me. I want to trust, and this is going to happen for me. And even if it doesn't happen, okay, something else good will come out of it. Something else good will come out of it. But I want to relax. I want to rely on people. I want to trust them. And I want to trust men with their words. All men are not bad. All men are not coming after me to treat me bad. Every man is not coming after me to treat me bad. And I want to trust men now. I want to release जितनी भी मेरी limiting beliefs है. पहले I want to acknowledge that from where it is coming. And the moment I acknowledge it, I want to release it. Okay? And now I want to release it. Okay, in my past, I was not able to trust men. I was not able to rely on them, relax, and have faith that they will keep their promises. But now I want to change it. I want to trust man. Men are good. Men help me. Men support me. I respect myself. That's why that respect is reflected back to me. And men respect me. Men treat me like a queen because I am worthy of that. I want to be treated like a queen. I'm no more available for this scarcity mindset. I'm no more available to be in my head all the time. I'm no more available to feel so much stress all the time. I'm only and only available for softness, for ease, for flow, and I want to trust God. And I want to heal myself. And now this is my reality. This is my new reality. I don't want to stress all the time. I want to heal from that. I want to feel so safe and secured in my body that, I don't have to overthink anything. And even if I find myself overthinking, I want to acknowledge it. And I want to tell myself that you don't need to overthink. I'm there for you. Talk to your inner child like you talk to your friends. Your inner child is the one who needs you the most. Talk to her. Tell her that she is worthy of a queen treatment. And heal your wounded masculine. Heal your wounded feminine. Heal your relationship with God Father. रिलीज़ जो भी आपका फादर के साथ जैसे भी रिलेशंस आपके रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे उसको एक्नॉलेज करिए और रिलीज़ करिए, उसे हील करिए. दिस इज़ गोना हेल्प यू. And if you will heal your wounded masculine, you will be able to attract good men in your life. You will be able to rely on men. You will be able to trust them. On this note, I will complete my video here, and I will see you all in my next video. And if my channel and content resonates with you all, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do share with your friends and family. And I will see you all in my next video. Love you all.